I got it there. You want to take it? Wash. Come on, just scrub, dude. Just scrub and take it. Good, dude. Wash that shit. Wash it like you've never washed a car before.
Fuck you, bitch.
Keep going, dude. Hey, why isn't there no foam coming out? Oh, yeah, I love watching this part. I want this on my face too, man. Good, wash it good, dude. Just scrub it like, oh. Scrub it. Scrub it. Scrub it harder, dude, because you can still see it.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can, dude. Look at the shot. It still says the same thing.
Where?
Right there. Just keep scrubbing. Hey, you missed a spot on this thing. Over here, dude. Windows. Come on, get them good. They all have to have that foam on them.
This guy, man.
There's always consequences, man. Am I right?
No.
No? Good. Get that front window. I needed some. Get the whole thing, dude. The body too. The green spots, everything, dude. Make it look shiny for me. Tires.
Stop recording this shit, man.
The rims and everything. Alright, go do the other side now, or the front. Do the front. It's alright, Fernando. It happens to everybody.